welcome back to my channel. It is Lindsay, otherwise known as @TeachPoshRepeat over on the Poshmark app. Today I am going to be sharing with you a ThredUp box that I just ordered. It is a purse box that just came in the mail today. And I have bought one other purse box before that I was very happy with. And currently all of those purses are listed on Poshmark. And I wanted to do kind of a comparison between the two boxes that I received. So because I didn't film the unboxing for the first purse box, I wanted to tell you what I got and then tell you what I have those items priced at right now. So in the first box, I got a Kate Spade bag that looks like this. It's just a simple black. And this one I have listed for $119 over on the Poshmark app. Then I got a Kate Spade wallet in that first box, looks like this. And that one I have for $79. The wallet's really nice. I was actually kind of tempted to keep it because it opens and there's a ton of card holders in it, and it's just one of the newer styles. So that one's really good. Then I got a Todd's wallet. This was my first time seeing Todd's. It's like a metallic gold and it's a tri-fold wallet. So this is really pretty. I have that listed as well. Next, I got a red Rebecca Minkoff tote, and this one is gorgeous. It's got silver studs up and down the sides of it, and it's just the perfect size tote to carry a laptop and all of your essentials. This one actually was the most flawed bag that I got in the last box, so I decided to keep it and use it. So I'm currently holding on to that and carrying it, but I'm sure that eventually it will end up on Poshmark. And then my final bag that I got in the first box was a Bolo brand for me, Be On The Lookout brand, because I've never found it before and it's really expensive retail, so I knew that it would do really good resale. And it's a Brahmin croc embossed chocolate leather bag. This bag had zero flaws. It was in perfect condition and it's currently up on Poshmark for $279. So if you're interested in any of those, you can go check them out. Today's goal is to compare that first box that I got with my second box. So we'll see what's in here. I haven't even opened it yet, but it's feeling kind of heavy, so I'm hoping that there's some really good like leather pieces in there, and we shall see. So here we go. Okay, so as I'm opening this, I am going to tell you my philosophy on ThredUp's rescue boxes so far. I've only ordered 3, this is my third. But as far as they go, I know they're called, like, once upon a time they were called reject boxes, and now they're called rescue boxes. And for the longest time, I think that people thought that because the items in them were reject pieces, they had to have a flaw in them. So every time that I would watch an unboxing, the people that were unboxing were always looking for flaws on the item. But I don't know if that's the case. Like, I feel that a lot of the items that I've gotten in my boxes, whether it was a shoe box or that first designer purse box I was just mentioning, the items are unflawed, and I think that's just because they couldn't sell through the ThredUp platform in a timely manner. And that's not to say that there's not a buyer for the item. It's just maybe that ThredUp was unsuccessful, so they're sending it off to the next seller who can resell successfully. So I don't expect flaws on my items is what I'm trying to say. If there is a flaw, I understand why, but I'm not like going into the box expecting to find something wrong with it. So here we go. I'm excited. Let's see. So in these boxes there is 3 purses that are full size and then 2 accessories. So whether the accessory is a wallet, or I've even seen like bracelets sometimes, so we'll just take a look. Okay. So this just says that I ordered the box for $90 and it's free shipping, anything over $79. So that was great. $90 for my 5 items. It's got the fun polka dot paper. Love it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. The first thing I'm seeing is, oh my gosh, I like it. This really pretty pebbled leather tan Michael Kors clutch. So it's like a wristlet. Oh my gosh. Oh, friends, I feel like I should be keeping these things because they're so lovely, but in reality, I bought it to resell, so this is gonna be hard for me not to keep. Okay, anyway, back to it. It's in perfect condition. It's literally still got like the hang tag from the original tag, and then on the inside, it's got the original tissue paper, and it's got the Michael Kors booklet that came with it originally. There are no flaws that I can tell on this item. Tons of card holders in here. And what I like about this wristlet is it's a little bit larger than your average wristlet would be. Like, it is the size of bigger than a half piece of paper. So like, this is a really good staple for just like a night out, carrying around. It's not a loud color, but that's cool. Like, I like neutrals, so this should do really well on Poshmark. More bubble wrapping. All right, next we have another Michael Kors. This is like a crossbody style. It's the cloth fabric with the gold metal emblem right here. This one is pretty scratched up, but as far as the fabric on the outer goes, I don't see any issues with it. This is a very unique style of crossbody, I think. Like at first, actually, when I looked at it, I thought that it was a backpack because it was more like rectangle, but it's nice. I mean, it's really deep. You can carry a lot in it for the size. And that's just a really nice staple. So I'm happy with that one. Okay, next we've got a Mark by Marc Jacobs. This is my first time with this brand. That's cool. Black leather, kind of like a scrunch bag. And it looks like you can wear it two ways. You can carry it, or you can wear it as a shoulder bag with the longer strap here. So this is really pretty. Let's see, it's got some little feet on the bottom. They've kind of been worn, but who sees that when you're carrying it? And then the inside's kind of got like this fun graphic cloth liner, so that's neat. It's not dirty. I don't see any marks inside of it. And if the zipper works, we are in business. Boom. Working zipper. Love it. That's really cute. I like that. All right. Two more. This is intriguing. So I don't see a brand on the outside. I'm a little bit scared to look because it feels super lightweight. I don't know. I could be surprised, but like the structure doesn't feel great. And it looks like Pepto-Bismol pink, and I don't know what that color is in. I could be very wrong about this, but let's see what brand it is. Let's look together. It literally does not say a brand. I am so confused by this one. Okay. That is the ultimate reject bag, apparently, because this is not designer. There's like cute little notches on the handle, but besides that, not very happy with this one. I don't know how they would put that in a designer bag if there's not a designer. Oh, you know what? There is a tag. Deep down on the inside. Let's see. Made in China. What? Yeah, I don't know. This one's weird. Hey, if you're on the market for a pink bag, you know where to find one for cheap. I'll list this for like $10. You can have it. Okay, moving on. Ugh, that's a bummer that wasn't a good find. But the last one I'm really excited for. Oh my Oh, wow, this is beautiful. Okay, so the last one is a pebbled leather mint colored Kate Spade bag, and this one's great. It's a two-way carry again with the short handle, the long handle for the crossbody style. It's got the Kate Spade right here with the little logo, and then the inside is striped fabric as the liner. As far as the condition, it looks really good. No pen marks, no stains. That's great. And then just a little bit of a discolored spot right here, but I can totally get that out with some leather cleaner before I get this beauty listed. So that's good. And then the flap even has a zipper of its own. So that's neat for some extra storage. All right. Well, there you have it. My second ThredUp designer purse box. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I would say my favorite two pieces are the Kate Spade pebbled leather and the Michael Kors clutch. We'll see how the Mark by Marc Jacobs and the other Michael Kors does, and then that pink bag, I don't know. I might even email them about it because I don't feel that that should have been a piece that was in the designer bag unless there's a clear designer on it. There's no reason that I feel like I should have gotten that item, but if you guys have any insight, please let me know down in the comments because it could just be the case that it's a brand that I'm not aware of. So, we shall see. Anywho, thank you for joining me today. It's been so fun showing you my unboxing of my second purse box. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them down below. And please hit the like and the subscribe button before you leave today if you love everything related to reselling and unboxing. Until next time, stay stylin'. See you later.